case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The traditional concept of a landowner's duty of care was significantly challenged in a landmark lawsuit that pitted Rodney Demag against Better Power Equipment, Inc. The dispute arose out of an unfortunate incident that occurred at the defendant's property. Demag, having fallen into an uncovered storm drain in the parking lot of the defendant's business, endured injuries that led to the courtroom drama. In the trial court, Demag was deemed as a licensee, which, following the standard distinctions of landowner liability, characterized him as someone enjoying less protection compared to an invitee. Discontent with the decision, Demag sought to overturn the ruling, countering that Better Power Equipment failed to uphold a duty of ordinary care, which includes the regular inspection of their property to identify and rectify possibly hazardous situations. The case went under the review of the Vermont Supreme Court, where the justices examined the dated common law distinction between invitees and licensees in landowner liability. The court determined this division to be problematic, fraught with conflicts and confusion. It was resolved that regardless of the classification, the duty of reasonable care ought to extend to all patrons. Presenting compelling evidence, Demag pointed to the harm caused by the visible danger of the open storm drain, paving the way for future scrutiny of the defendant's standard of care. The plaintiff's case forced a reevaluation of whether the uncovered storm drain was a reasonably foreseeable event. Finally, the Vermont Supreme Court's ruling not only reversed and remanded the lower court's decision, but also effectively ushered in a new standard in landowner liability. It was deemed that the defendant, Better Power Equipment, should have observed reasonable care under all circumstances and was thus held to answer for its oversight. With the case being sent back for further proceedings, the court's decision promises to establish new precedents in relations between landowners and their patrons.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.